Good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday, guys. I hope you guys' Sunday is going great. For those that went to church, I hope you got your soul fed. For those that just chilled at home, I hope you are well rested. Today we are going to be doing a stiletto set of spring nails. And this baby blue, sky blue color is so cute. It's giving off pastel vibes. I'm just going to use this color fully on my index finger, and I'm going to be ombreing some of the other fingers. I do believe it's my pinky, and I think it's one more. I'm not sure. But yes, we're going to be taking this color and ombreing it. Next, I'm going to be going in with this beautiful glitter in blue, and I'm going to be placing that halfway down the nail on this middle finger and along with the ring finger. We're going to be ombreing those two with the Mia Secret Cover Beige. That is our main base color. So you guys, do you have any goals for this week? Anything you're trying to achieve? How's things been going? I need y'all to let me know. Chit chat with your girl in the comments down below. My goals this week is to be the best that I can be, give out everything that I can give when it comes to anything I put my mind to. And right now, that is content creating. I'm trying my best to come up with cute little ideas for the spring. Summertime is right after spring, so I'm excited for that. But here we are with this Mia Secret Cover Beige. We're going to do the full nail on the thumb. And out of all the nails, if I had to choose which one was my favorite, I would say this thumbnail was my absolute favorite. I love how it came out. You will see it because I'm going to add some of that blue glitter in here as well. And oh my God, I could do a full set like that and kind of like place that glitter in, other places. You're going to see it. Just watch. Look at that. You see what I mean? Look how beautiful that blue is. It's just popping. I love it. Oh my God. Say hello, Janelle. Say hi. They can't see you waving. You got to say hello. She's waving, you guys. This is my second to youngest. Her name is Janelle, and she's 2 years old. Yes. All right, guys. Enjoy. Oh my God, as I'm sitting here watching this replay, I'm just looking at that little eczema on my ring finger knuckle and on the pinky area. And it's on the same exact spot on the opposite hand. And I've noticed that only comes like around this time, y'all. And it really bothers me and irks me because I don't feel at least I didn't notice I had eczema in my hands until I moved to Georgia, you guys. I'm originally from Las Vegas, and when I got here, it seemed like it flared up, and it has been here since then. And I'm like sad, like, look at my poor little hands. Oh, poor things. They look so sad. So if y'all have any recommendations to help, soothe that eczema and get it together, please let me know. So we're going to take our Mia Secret foil and we're going to place that over the index finger because I am going to be using this Dior white. And baby, it's tying in everything together. It's giving what it needs to be given. Like, look at that. Came out perfect. So now we're going to take some of these beautiful little blue butterflies and just stick them randomly in spaces over the nail, and I'm loving it. You see, it's giving off spring vibes, right, y'all? Like, yes. I'm going to take this little leaf as well and plant that right there. And we're going to add that beautiful butterfly and tie it in over there. Okay, okay. Ooh, baby, that opposite hand is dry. Do you see that cuticle, baby? You know what? I ain't going to be out here in these streets looking crazy. I'm going to have to put me on a glove when I'm doing these nails because, honey, well, I need to moisturize it first and then put a glove over it. But yeah, I'm just going to lightly file since the application wasn't too bad. And we're going to get these bad boys shaped up, sharpened, and ready to cut them. Ready to cut them, okay? Next, I'm going to be adding in these cute little flowers. I'm going to be putting them in random places on my nails. I think it ties in well with the blue butterflies, the blue theme, and we're going to be top coating the set because I feel it'll bring out that beautiful blue glitter. And this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.